I have this 8-foot aluminum deck rail with post. You can see very nice quality here. You can see I've got my post here, very nice quality post, nice weld, very nice, that black matte finish, that beautiful aesthetic feel of that post as well. Then I have my rails here, very nice. You can see that 8-foot rail there as well with all the slots as in there for your tubes. So again, very nice quality. I then have all my tubes here. They're ready to go as well. This is that 6063 aluminum alloy. It's got that powder coated. So again, rust proof, corrosion resistant, very nice quality. Easy to maintain. It does not scratch easily. So again, very nice quality. Little maintenance on this as well. This is that snap fit together, so again, goes together easily. I'll show you that in a minute here, but just want to make a comment how nice this aluminum alloy is. Easy for putting together, easy to use, lightweight. I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute to put it together. You can see very easy to snap these together. It took me seconds to get all these put in. I also want to make mention this aluminum alloy also is able to be cut to size depending on your project. Here I got these easily snapped together very quickly to put this up and ready to use. Very, again, lightweight and convenient for many different locations. All the hardware comes with this as well. So I have my post base cover here, so and that slides on over the top of that, goes all the way down over the base to cover that up and screws in. I also have got the post top as well, and that screws in. You can see over here where that post goes. I also have the attachment to slip on here to attach your post to there as well. So that looks like this. In addition to that, I also have pieces that go on underneath to attach your railing to the deck. So that these would go under here like this. And again, it attaches the railing to the decking, where it all comes together here and ties in to that post. So again, very nice, easy to use, nice quality. You can see how aesthetically pleasing this black matte 8-foot railing is on my deck here. So fits in very nicely, fits the decor of many different style decks and colors. Again, I want to just make mention of this nice aesthetically appealing black matte finish on here. Very nice. You can see how it looks with that post all tucked in nicely. You can see here I've got my places to fasten it. I've got all the hardware to attach to your deck. Everything comes with it. This fits, think about gazebos or decks or anything you put a railing on, saunas, anything that needs a railing, this will meet that need. I love having this 8-foot deck railing at my house.